Hope you're doing good. Micah back with another video. Back here to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and specifically realizing that update that we had, what was it, last week? It actually addressed and really optimized this device in another way that I had not been paying attention to until I noticed it yesterday. And so before we get into exactly what that optimization was, and it's kind of been a constant theme for Samsung as of recently, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys ignite that like button and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that way you never miss my videos, so you and I can continue to sit back, relax, see what's cracking. As you guys have noticed, a lot of the returning viewers have been subscribing, which is great. We are right there. We are so close to 10,000 subscribers, and that's again because of you guys are trusting in me and how I present my information and package it for you guys, and doing the best I can in terms of research and putting these videos together for you guys on a regular basis. So I definitely appreciate you guys' consistency and support from that perspective as well. We are right there on 10,000 subscribers. So again, I thank you guys. And for those who have been a constant form of support in building this community, again, I thank you guys as well. When we hit 10,000, I have a nice little surprise for you guys for something that I can do meeting that milestone goal. So please, let's continue on this journey. And now let's get back into the video. Now, the reason why this is very important, this optimization when it comes to the Galaxy Z Fold 6, is because this is also one of the reasons why people don't buy the Galaxy Z Fold 6 or foldables and flippables yet, and that is battery life. Now, as you guys saw in my previous video, how hyped a lot of us were in the comment section on that video and in my energy and in that video, the Galaxy Watch Ultra was definitely improved via battery life from their most recent 800 megabyte update, and it even improved charge times. And I can also speak to that myself using the standard puck that comes with the Galaxy Watch Ultra. This watch charged up significantly faster, like within an hour from zero, right next to my bed while I was watching TV. So what an amazing feat to see that Samsung can, when they put their energy into it, give us what we want, which is better battery life for our devices so that we can use them longer, use them more fluently without always having to carry or think about battery life. And so I definitely appreciate that about the Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I can appreciate that here with the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, you might be saying, well, what are you talking about? Well, we know the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has about a 4,400 milliamp battery, which is decently sized, but for a foldable that has multiple screens, that has more sophisticated software, that has decent cameras, then you're talking about Bluetooth streaming via headphones or earbuds, in this case, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and my watch constantly being tethered to the phone. A lot of people would question the battery life and the consistency of that battery life with a foldable in the Galaxy Z Fold 6. But here's where what I noticed yesterday, which is amazing. I'm still running off of one charge from the previous day, meaning I took this off the charger probably sometime around 9:30 in the morning yesterday. So it is now, as you see by the clock, it is 12:20. So it has been well over 24 hours. You can argue it's really been closer to like 27, 28 hours. So from 9:30 one day to 9:30 the next day is 24 hours, 3 hours. So yeah, about 27, 28 hours I'm running on this battery right now on one charge. I didn't have it charged now one time yesterday. I took off the charger. I never charged it up in the car, nothing like that. I've just been running with the device. I was using my Galaxy 3 Buds Pro, or Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, I should say. Let's see, for about half the day. I would argue I probably had them connected from maybe like 11 o'clock to about 5 o'clock. So for about 6 hours, 7 hours-ish, I had them streaming music via YouTube. So I had YouTube playing for a good portion of the day as well, while also doing bits and pieces with social media, while, checking my YouTube Studio app, flipping it open from time to time to get a better view of things, checking out my productivity, my schedule that I have going on. So I'm always in my calendar now, which is also why I may bring a new setup video for you guys in terms of like a productivity-based setup for my Galaxy Fold 6. So I was doing all of that yesterday, and how much battery do I have left? I'm still at 19% battery life. Now, I've lost 3% this morning, basically, because once you hit like 25%, your battery does just start draining a lot faster. But I've lost 3% since, let's say 10 10:20. So since 10:20, so over the course of 2 hours, I've lost 3%, which is still amazing in and of itself. But if we want to go further and dive deep into the settings, if it clicks on the set, all right, so you don't want to do that. We'll just click it down here. So let's go over here to battery, and actually let's see and look, and let's get a good look into what's been going on with the battery. So it still says here, well, it actually really says a full charge will last over a day and 2 hours. I'm well over a day and 2 hours on this battery charge so far, which is amazing. Now here it's saying I still have an additional 5 hours left, so you're looking at a day and what, 9-ish hours based off of this one battery charge so far. This is what I've noticed since updating with that last smaller size January update, the second January update that dropped for Galaxy devices. And if you look and you see here, last updated, it stopped charging a day and 2 hours ago. So I was close, 26 hours. And a lot of my apps that I would normally use are not actually draining, are not draining the battery as hard as it has been in the past. Funny enough, Progressive is draining 3%, which is hilarious. JW is 2%, and that was really from today because I've used it for about an hour today to get some studying in. Let's see, my custom widgets is about 1%. One UI Home is less than 1%. I got my banking app, my system UI, less than 1%. Battery during calls, less than 1%. Google Play services, less than 1%. YouTube, despite running it like now, this might be for today, but still, less than 1%. What? Now, if I actually jump over to yesterday, it might be a little bit better. Battery usage was 55% yesterday. Screen time, 2.5 hours, which I don't really care for. It's really that standby time. And even with YouTube playing for most of the day, 7.5%. And that's because I wasn't viewing, I just had it playing in the background. My widget was still 2%, less than 2% on One UI Home. My always on display, less than 2%. System UI, less than 2%. Google Play services, less than 2%. Even my Buds 3, less than 1%, despite running most of the day. TikTok, less than 1%. Messages, less than 1%. Samsung Internet, less than. You see this? Like, nothing was running crazy for me yesterday, despite me being active on my phone. And that's because Samsung has done a fantastic job re-optimizing the battery and how it depletes over time. And I think that is an amazing thing to see with that update, because along with addressing just normal fluidity and smoothness, optimization that took place with this update to just use it on a regular, despite also fixing problems between Bluetooth devices, specifically with the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and maybe other devices that has that wideband speech feature, which again, videos have been dropped on this channel for. This update also addressed battery life, and that update was like, what, 426 megabytes? So it shows you with those smaller updates, Samsung can be very specific, very keen on what they need to address and provide us fantastic experiences. This is the way. Shout out to Mando. So again, also shout out to Samsung for also providing us that. Let me know down in the comment section below if you guys also notice your battery life improve and increase with your Galaxy devices post that second January update. I'd love to know down in the comment section below, because a lot of people were concerned about that in the comment section on previous videos. So I'd like to know and get you guys' follow-up in the comment section below for you on this video as well. And if you are interested in the Galaxy Fold 6, the Galaxy Watch Ultra, maybe even the Buds 3 Pro, I always leave links down in the description box for you guys if you guys are interested in picking one up for yourself or a friend, family member, a secondary device for yourself, or if you're willing to swap out your daily driver. I always got links to a good deal in the comment section below. But that is going to be it for this video. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys ignite the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. It's all free. That way you never miss a video, so you and I can sit back, check, see what's cracking. And don't forget to hit that super things button down there by the like and dislike button, Cash App and PayPal, and check the channel out for all the videos available to you. That's way to keep tech fresh and alive on this channel. So, Micah signing out until the next video. Wait for